Good morning, children. Today we'll continue the remaining part of Jack's and Max. Okay? Look what Adityan is saying. I poured two small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. Here, what Adityan is doing? Adityan is pouring water from this bottle to this bottle. This is the 1 liter bottle, and here he poured two bottles of water from this bottle to this bottle. Okay, so how much water does his small bottle holds? Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the capacity of this bottle. Okay, so see, 1 liter will be equal to how many milliliters, children? 1000 milliliters. I'll write 1000 milliliter first. By how many times he poured? That is 2 times, right? By 2. 2 ones are 2, 5s are 10. Here 2 zeros will be remain. So I'll take these 2 zeros as it is. Now how much it is? 500 ml. Right? The capacity of this bottle is how much? That is 500 ml. 500 ml will be equal to how much? Half liter. Right? Next one. To fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Here, Leela is filling the 1 liter water bottle by pouring water from small bottle, right? So how many times she poured from small bottle to fill 1 liter bottle? That is 5 times, right? Then how much water does Leela's bottle holds? Here we have to find out the capacity of this bottle. Okay, so 1 liter bottle will be equal to how many mls? 1000 mls. By how many times she poured? 5 times. By 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are, right? 2 I write here. Here I have 2 zeros. I take these zeros from here. I'll keep it here. That will be equal to how many mls? 200 ml. So Leela's bottle holds 200 ml. How many times she poured? That is 5 times, right? So 200 into 5 is how much, children? See, 200 into 5. In simple multiplication, what we did? Here I have 2 zeros. I'll take out these 2 zeros. I'll keep it here. 5 twos are 10. We got answer as 1 liter, right? So this means this is the correct answer. Okay. Next one, Ramu's measuring bottle. Ramu got an empty 250 ml coconut oil bottle. Look at the picture. What he did to make his big measuring bottle. Here this guy Ramu has 250 ml of coconut oil bottle, empty bottle he has. Okay. In order to make a big measurement, what he did? He poured 1 time liquid from this bottle to this bottle. So children, this is the 250 ml of coconut oil bottle, right? So if I pour 1 time liquid from this bottle to this bottle, means how many mls I'll get? That is 250 ml, right? And again second time he poured 1 more bottle. How much he'll get? 500 ml. That is 250 plus 250 will be how much, children? 0 0 0. 5 plus 5 10. 0 1 will be carry. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 500. We got here now 500 ml. Again third time he poured 250 ml of liquid from this bottle to this bottle, that is third time, how much you will get? 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 5 will be how much, children? 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. 750 ml he got. And again one more time he poured. This only I wrote here. He poured one more time. Now 250 plus 0, 0, 0. 5 plus 5 will be 10. So 1 will be carry. 7 plus 1 will be 8. 8 plus 2 will be 10. 1 liter. We got now. First time he poured, how much he got? 250 ml. Second time he poured, how much he got? 500 ml. Third time he poured, how much he got? 750 ml. Fourth time he poured, how much he got? 1 liter. Okay. Next one. My measuring bottle. Find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml and 1 liter. Discuss with your friends and teachers how you made this. Children, this and this will be for you as an activity part. Okay, do it and send me a video. Okay, here what you have to do, take a 1 liter empty bottle and take a 200 ml small bottle. Okay, now pour a water from 200 ml to 1 liter bottle. So if you pour one time, how much measuring you will get? That is 200 ml of measuring you will get. Take a marker, mark the 200 ml, and to make it 400 ml, what you have to do? You have to pour one more 200 ml, right? 2 plus 2 will be 4, that is 400 ml. After that you have to pour one more time, that will be 600 ml. After that you pour one more time, that will be 800 ml. After that you have to pour one more time, that will be 1 liter. Okay, so for every measuring you have to mark, okay, by marker. Okay children, next one, guess and check. Children, this is also activity for you people. Do it and send me a video of my measuring bottle and guess and check. Okay children, for this you have marks. Okay, thank you.